Slime Lab. And on YouTube, they don't have balls, I don't know. They're called Crash Project Ideas, and you can follow them, like, and subscribe on YouTube. So guys, I have my little co-host here to read my instructions for me. So, let's get ready. I'm making fuzzy glop slime. Gloop, sorry.
Measure out 100 milliliters of warm water and pour it into a paper or plastic cup. So you're going to be using a glass dish. Use the spoon provided to add 1 level spoonful of sodium tetraborate to the warm water and stir until the powder is dissolved. This will be your activator. Combine 10 milliliters of room temperature water with your 2 spoonfuls of activator. So what you want to do is take 2 spoonfuls and stick it in here of your activator.
That wasn't really.
Where is your fizzy gloop solution? Okay.
Where's my spoon? Oh, you have it.
Where? I'm going to try to take.
It's hard to mix it because it won't.
Two. Okay, so that's 2 spoonfuls of your activator. So you take 2 spoonfuls of activator. And then add your 10 milliliters of your water. And then
it's the solution mixed.
Add 1 spoonful of your fizzy gloop mixture. So far in this bowl that she's playing with, she has 10 milliliters of water and she has two of the spoonfuls of her activator. Now we are about to add a spoonful of the fizzy gloop mix.
And it's always nice to have help if needed. One.
That's what you need, now mix it. Do you have your baking soda in there?
Baking soda, yes I do.
You're going to need baking soda, your fizzy gloop solution, some glitter if you choose to.
Purple. Purple and green, dark colors. Wow. I already opened the...
In this cup, measure out 40 milliliters of slime glue up here.
Okay.
Let me see. Is it exactly 40?
Might be a little over, but...
You're going to take your spoon and start dumping it out. Make sure you try to get all of it out. Okay. Alright, I have to rinse this out. out, and I need you to finish mixing that up, and then I need your spoon.
Okay. And your batter is supposed to be very, very liquidy.
You still have to add baking soda.
Okay.
Give me a minute, I'll be right back. We have to wash this out real quick. Here you can add your spoonful of half a spoonful of baking soda.
So half spoonful. That's about half, right, Mom?
Let me see.
That's about half.
It's a little bit more than half, baby.
Is that good?
Yeah. Mix that up. Is it even coming anything?
Yes.
Keep mixing.
Turning very slime-like.
Add a little bit of this if you'd like your stuff.
How much?
It's not a very big slime, so just half, maybe. A little bit less than half.
Very good.
Alright, and now it says, after you have done this, place your beaker in the middle of a ceramic or plastic plate as the next step will get messy. Slowly add the fizzy gloop activator to the glue mixture in your beaker and stir until it reaches halfway up the beaker. Your reaction will start to fizz. Does that make sense?
Yes. It's very...
So where's your beaker? Right here.
Steam up?
Stuck in there. Okay, now listen. We place the beaker in the plate, in the bowl. Now you have to slowly add your fizzy gloop activator to the glue mixture in your beaker.
Okay.
So if you mix, you're supposed to be able to mix that in this, which we can just do it in another bowl if you want, or we can just dump this.
In there.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
So it's gonna come out a little watery. You gotta keep mixing it up. Here, let me read this to you. Keep playing. If you are not afraid to get a little messy, use your hands to mix and play with your fizzy gloop to turn it into slime faster. The fizzing solution will look watery at first. Don't worry, keep playing with it and it will thicken up. If your slime does not become solid, remix the solution from step 1, making sure the water is not too hot as the powder will deactivate. If it doesn't dissolve, the water is too cold. If your slime is too hard, add a drop of vinegar. This will soften your slime. If you use too much of the fizzy glue powder, the solution will fizz, but it won't become slime, so be sure to measure carefully. If you add too much baking soda to your slime, will be too hard. If your solution is not turning into slime, add more of the activator, 1 drop at a time, mixing between each drop. Add it until you reach your desired slimy goop consistency.
That helped. The solution helped. It's not very stretchy.
We gotta keep working at it.
I did purple glitter. It's very pretty. Did I take it off wrong or? Last time. discretion said, if it's too watery, that's okay. We gotta keep mixing. Nasty.
Look, looks like a booger. And the consistency is very rubbery. It feels pretty much like a piece of rubber. I ain't even gonna lie. So we have some of this store-bought slime, and I've seen somebody else do this. Just kind of fold it in, mix it in, and see what happens. So we're gonna see if we can help this slime out at all become actually what it's supposed to be. And I've noticed when buying slime kits, they don't work as well as when you go and you make your own.
My mom even makes homemade Play-Doh. It's very cool.
No, don't add any more. Put that back. This is just to try it out. Because I don't even think this slime is going to stick in here, because look, it just keeps falling out. Look. Yep.
Dropping my balls everywhere.
So it was failed. We tried.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you buy Walmart kits.
Yeah. All you kids
Or
out there?
5 and below. We've also done 5 and below kits, and they came out, 1 or 2 of them came out good, the other ones came out horrible. And this is what happens.
I also bought a Nickelodeon slime kit. Those actually worked. It got really, really sticky. So, made a big mess. So, if this happens,
Don't be surprised that you wasted $14 or $10 on a slime kit that didn't work.
even $20.
Stick to making your own glue where you can create your own activator. Or, oh my gosh, I just said glue. Stick to making your own slime where you can use your own glue and make your own activator, and where you can control what's given to you and the substance that you're putting into it, because I do believe that 90% of the stuff that they give you is old because it sits there for a while. So therefore, nothing comes out the way it's supposed to. It didn't ruin our slime that we have here, but it wouldn't stay in. Like, there's just a little piece right here that's in, but it wants to pull out whenever you pull it. See? Like, it just literally slides out. I could sit here and peel it out.
And once I noticed, once I first put it in the solution, it turned like this. And when I was just mixing in the mixture, it turned like really slime-like. So, if you're watching this, don't add the solution stuff. The liquidy stuff, don't add it. Because it turns like that.
Well, thank you for joining us today in Kids Corner, aka Lanie Land. Messing around with slime, giving you guys something to watch besides something boring. And trying to have fun, cause chaos, and make slime. We're not professional slime makers, nor do we act like it. We're just people trying to have fun and seeing what we can do and what we can make. And to be honest with you, to give ratings on products, which is what we do at Steph and Mannie. And whoever makes this, which Ozo's, I don't know, it's this company. I'm not saying they're bad company, I'm just saying their product. Yeah, and it says YouTube at Craft Product Ideas. It's who is this? Horizon Group USA, I don't know. The Ultimate Slimy Lab. Yeah, I do believe that their stuff would have worked if it wasn't so dated. Yeah. Not sure, not calling them out on a faulty product or whatnot, because everybody knows that after chemicals sit for so long, they don't work.
Thank you for watching me fail, I should say. But be here for the next episodes of Lanie Land / Kids Corner. And thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, watch all Steph and Mannie's videos, even Kids Corner. Like, subscribe to their videos too.
Or just be a hater and thumbs down. Yeah. You know, it's fine. We're happy with whatever you choose to do.
We ain't those type of people.
We love you all. Thank you, YouTube. You guys are amazing.
Yep.